Today we are going to be talking about the immune system. The immune system's purpose is to heal and protect your body from germs, bacteria, and pathogens. There are two types of white blood cells. One type is to destroy the bacteria that invades your body. Another type is to remember the bacteria that your body experienced and how to destroy them.
The immune system contains white blood cells, chemicals, platelets, and antibodies to protect your body from harmful germs. White blood cells protect your body and decompose dead cells. This is how the immune system works. When harmful organisms invade your body, they start multiplying using your body's resources. And when they have enough copies of themselves, they start damaging your body. Your guards, the macrophages, are the first ones to be alerted by these invaders. They trap and destroy them by first absorbing them and then breaking them down using enzymes inside of the macrophages. They also send a message to the blood vessels telling them to release water to make fighting easier. If the macrophages are overwhelmed, they call in the neutrophils in the blood vessels to help them. The neutrophils kill half of the invaders and some of the healthy cells with toxins. And the neutrophils are set to suicide 5 days after they are activated to avoid harming your body too much. They also create a barrier to prevent any more invaders from coming in. If this still isn't enough, the macrophages tell the brain of the immune system, the dendritic cells, that they need more help against the invaders. The dendritic cells that then pick up little parts of the fallen invaders and call either antivirus control or antibacteria cells, considering what the situation is. The dendritic cell then travels into the lymph nodes in the neck where the T cells and the B cells are located. The dendritic cell gives the bits of the fallen invaders to a T cell that hasn't been used yet. The T cell then spreads this info to other T cells that haven't been used yet, and the T cells go into 3 groups. One group goes onto the battlefield, where the macrophages and the neutrophils are fighting a battle that cannot be won yet. The T cells send signals to the cells that are close to dying not to give up and renews their effort. Another group goes to the center of the lymph nodes, where the B cells are. This group activates the B cells that have never been used and tells them the info on this particular invader. The B cells duplicate into millions of little weapons that release so many antibodies that the cell almost dies in the process. The T cells remind the B cells that are close to dying that they still have work to do and keeps them alive for longer. The antibodies that the B cells release paralyze the bacteria, rendering them still so the macrophages and the neutrophils can easily destroy them, or these antibodies kill them in the process. After the battle, most of the cells commit suicide, so they will not waste the body's resources, but some of the T cells and the B cells will stay behind in the lymph node, so whenever the invader comes again, they will easily destroy it.
You can do these things to support your immune system. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Get enough sleep. Exercise a lot. Wash your hands. Make sure your weight is healthy. Keeping up with your vaccines. Don't drink too much alcohol. Don't smoke. Food is an important part of keeping your immune system healthy. Fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables and fill the rest with grain and protein. You can also take supplements if you're not getting enough vitamins, but don't take too much. It will be bad for your body. Stress management is also important to keeping a healthy immune system. Do these things to manage your stress. Get enough sleep. Learn and use relaxation techniques. And make your support network bigger. Your support network is the people you talk to when you are having a hard time in your life. And consider counseling if none of these work.